the best way to find joy in life is to help other people. I was in the Marines for 5 years, so I actually went in patriotically before 9/11. So I went in 99. I was an older person. I'd already gone to college. The woman I married, my wife, Jamie, her kids in the classroom sent me stuff when I was in Iraq. And this was the one thing I kept from the letters and stuff they sent me. The artist didn't sign. When I was in Iraq, we were supposed to get on this helicopter, and we ended up not getting on the helicopter. And the helicopter went up, and then it went down. Right into the river. Don't know what happened, whether it was a golden BB, somebody shot something and it went in. Nobody knows what happened, but it went down and lost the crew. There was a lance corporal on the side of the river when the airplane went down. And he jumped in the river to try to save the people in the helicopter. If he had thought about it for a moment, he might have understood how fast that river was moving. But in the moment, Marines are the kind of people that throw themselves into stuff, whether it's farming or the Tigris River, right? He didn't make it. Sometimes people will ask you, well, were you afraid? And it's really difficult to explain to people how you do all this training so that you're not afraid in the moment. And it's not until it's done that all of a sudden, all of the, they were trying to kill me, starts to show up. And when I got back from Iraq and I had to return to the civilian world, I was having difficulties fitting in when I wasn't busy. And my doctor said, you need to find something to take care of in your downtime so that you don't just focus on the past. We are in Inglewood. The lot from the mulberry tree here to the mulberry tree over there has basically been in the family for almost 100 years. So since the 1920s. The house got torn down, and a couple years ago, I decided to farm the lot so that I could grow food and give it away. And we have all these vacant lots, and the vacant lots are absolutely a spot where we can grow stuff and not diminish a neighborhood. We like to have things that have multiple purposes. We grow things in the raised bed gardens. Sunflowers are known for helping to rehabilitate soil. We do herbs and different flowers like echinacea and tick seed, which actually have medicinal uses. A gentleman came up to me one day and he goes, I pick up garbage I see on the street now because of watching you do this for the last couple years. I had a lady tell me she recently moved back to Chicago. She left Illinois looking for a place of peace and nature and beauty. She says she came back, and so she says she just walks past here and she looks at the sunflowers and what's growing. And I told her, we're building community, not fences. So nothing that we have here prevents people from coming in. I think we have to live as if this is it. And if something I do today might have made somebody else's day a little bit better, whether I know it or not, if they walk past and they're like, oh, that's a beautiful sunflower, right? Then I'm serving the purpose that I'm here for.